All right, good evening. Welcome to the end of day review for Friday, 25th, 2024. Normally, we do this right after the market close, but for this Friday, we couldn't make it, so we do it this recording today, which is Saturday. So that's our full disclose right there. So anyway, for this week, we close in a very good move. I mean, at the beginning of the week, we have the sell-off on Monday. But anyway, before we go to the detail, let's look to see where we are right now. So we are in week 43, right? 44. Excuse us. Actually, we are 43 because because we do recording today Saturday, so the day it puts right there will be next week right there. So we are week 43, and next week is 44 right there. And we are right here. We just finished up this week, 25th. Next week we have the last week of October. And then on Friday is be the first day of November, and also it will be a non-farm payroll. Wow, that's interesting right there. Remember, we do have a GDP data come out on the 30, and then the 31st going to be the PCA data. So you have GDP, PCA right there for the next week. All right, now we go into the price action. Here's our daily right here. So basically, we have a Monday right there, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 days. 5 trading days of this week. You have a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and now it's Friday right there. So the Monday set the range right there, and then Tuesday it go down right there and tell us that it tested level twice. Then when it break, it will break very fast and very huge, and that's what happened on Wednesday, the midweek right there. It broke all the way. It touched the weekly level also. Right. If you put the weekly in here, we can see that level is the weekly on our right side right there. You can see the weekly right there. So remember, this candle is flipped this weekly. The week start at October 7 right there. You see tested level 1, and this supposed to be break it, but flip. And pay attention when it flip. Look for the next two or three candle. You can see the clue where I hit neck right there. As soon you see the reverse, so we surely like it gonna come down and it gonna revisit this level. Just watch. And also we mark this is a candle right after a expansion move. Watch for that candle. You can see. So from here we can see some potential move right here. Basically it may break down before the level, and boom, it's gonna rally again. Because here it shows that it willing to break above this, but it pull back to get more liquidity in order to go up. That's the weekly candle right there. We see this pattern before a lot of time. After a big move, Look at this, for example, after expansion move, in this case, expansion move, right? Expansion move and look for the doji candle. In this case, we put either candle or this candle. You see that? It shows us that it's gonna break the level, but it pull back a little bit. You see that? Pull back. And it tried to break the low of the candle and it couldn't break it. Then look for a huge rally. You see that? Boom, it's another expansion move right there. And similar right here, you have a doji candle after the expansion move right there. You have a reverse right away. That's a little bit different right here. Yeah, but look at the next candle right here. You see that it break above, test above, and reverse, and now it tests below that candle. So very interesting right here. So now we have a range right here to work with right here. So it tells us that that is gonna go up because it tests from below, right? Tests from below, then it's gonna be rolling up. But we have to make sure that it's gonna fail to break this level, this low or this candle low. Let's see how Monday it play out. It may go and retest and fail break, and then boom, we know for sure that it's gonna be reverse because it already tells that it tests from below. So it have a bullish signal right there. But if it break from big level, it can go down. We may retest this low because it tells us right there that it tests from above, so it can break also. So basically, we have to tell us that this candle tells us that it tests from above. It may breaking lower, but this candle tells us the different story, that it tests from below, that can be breaking higher. So we need a little bit more information, and we hope Monday or Tuesday we can have more information whether market gonna head up or it's gonna go down. That is our overview for the daily and weekly. Before going to Friday, here's what our mindset when we're going. So here's, we take this screenshot at the open at 9, right? Well, 29 minutes, 30 minutes. You see that? We see that right there. So basically, you see the setup, break, test from below, and reverse. That is reversal type 1 right there. And the level right here, you see the high of this candle, I think 58, 68.25 right there. So it's a reversal type 1 setup. Yeah, here's our simplified version because we our playbook have two kind of for breakout reversal. One is called type 1. It's very common, and it's more common than type 2. Maybe 80% is type 1 and 20% is type 2 right there. It's basically it break the level, right? It can be high time frame level or low time frame level. So it break, it tests from below, and it reverse. That's the long setup. For the short, do the opposite. It break, test from above. Remember, test from below, above, and then it reverse. So look right here, we see break, test from below, and reverse. But remember, all the movement is already happened before the market open. So yeah, all that move is already the move from here to here. It's already happened before the market open at 9:30. You see that? Yes, all that already happened. So how do we trade this overnight? We just simply put a buy stop in here and let it run, right? Put a buy stop in here and we reach 1R, which is 5 point right there. Then we target this level because that's on daily time frame. So we have 4R right there. Look at the daily right there. You see that? The range right there. So it breaks test from below, then definitely it's gonna go and revisit that level or break that level. If we go to that level, it will break it. That's no reason to come back. That's an idea. And on Friday, you see in the AM, it really break real hard. It go all the way to take the high of this candle, the buy side right there. And that is the Euro swing. That a perfect Euro swing, like ICT's model. So this is the Euro swing at 9:30 right there. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4 candle, and then perfectly at 10:30 it start reversal. So this is a Euro swing. Yeah, it's the Euro swing that ICT is talking about right here. I think model Euro swing at 9:30 right here, right? And it say about the Euro swing, but right here it's a little bit different because right here it's marked the I guess it's not Euro swing for the Euro swing at PM. We're looking for Euro swing at AM. Yeah, right here, the very first model 1 right there. But in this case, it's a short setup. You see that? I mean, it's a long setup, and the range for this one is for the PM range, right? PM range for New York, prior PM range. Yeah, but in this case, the London already broke out the PM range. That means this Euro swing gonna be very huge. Very huge. Last time we see a Euro swing like that, let's look at last time we see. Here's the Euro swing we see last time in July 15. It's similar, but it's not exactly because we see that the London is between the the New York Friday PM range right there, and the Euro swing is swing and rate the high of the PM, which is exactly this model mentioned, right? And then in this case it rate the low, right, for the long setup, but for the short setup it rating the high. That means you're gonna sell. Yeah, but right here it is similar, but it different a little bit in the detail because we have a 9:30. It got flip right there, but eventually it make a Euro swing. It flip and it swing high and then boom, basically expansion, and then it's gonna reverse. That's it, the July 15 Euro swing. Here we have another scenario where Euro swing at 9:30. This one is much better. So you have Euro swing right here at 9:30, and boom, it's 1, 2, 3 candle. This candle is huge. It's similar like today, right? But the candle right here at 9:30 is not huge. With the June 20, so it's 9:30, 9:45, and the 10. See, the candle at 10 is huge. Here, the candle at 10 is like these two candle. All three candle is like one of that merged together with that candle. You see that? Yeah, and then it start reverse. But another itself that it's different. That on June 28, you see that the London expansion already above the New York PM right there. But today or Friday, the expansion is the low of this expansion is still below. You see that? But for June 28, right here, the low of London already above the high of the New York PM. So that may be the reason it have a pullback right here at 9:30. 8:30 stop retrace right here. So basically you have retracement, expansion, and reverse. Yeah, so you have right here is the retracement, boom, expansion, reverse. And you see that right here it did try to rate the London high, and it tells you that it's gonna go high if the retracement right here turn into a expansion, right? Retracement, expansion, and then it's reverse. That is the idea of Judah swing, or the model that ICT gives to us, so we have an idea how to trade the Judah swing right here. And right here we see that start from 7. I mean, it's really rally. Right here we anticipate a reversal or retracement right here, but boom, it's just a non-expansion, and it hit all the time frame level right there. At this level, at 58.95 and also 58.92 right there, and boom, after that. And we see the setup right here. You see that? Test from below, break and reverse. That's type 2 reversal right here. Here the type 2 reversal right there. Test from below, break, and then reverse. Exactly. We did took this way, but we got out very quick. You know, we because we make a good gain right here. We don't want to get back, so that's what the reason. But keep in mind, regardless what we do, we have to, stay in the trade, right? Because it's a very good setup right here. But we forgot an idea of Judah swing right here. That's the reason why we get out early. But if we remember, then we're gonna stay in the trade longer. And right here also form a very beautiful setup right here, which is a real breakout at this level. You see that? That's a real breakout right there. And we recognize, and also is a type 1 reversal right here. Break, test from above, and reverse right there. That's the type 1. See that? Right here. Break, test from above, and reverse. That's the type 1 reversal right there at this level. At 78 right here, 25. Break, test from above, and then boom, reverse. We just took it trade also, but we make a similar mistake. We exit the trade too early. Yep. And right here, we also see the setup, right? Test from above, 1, 2, 3, break, and then reverse. Here. That's the beauty right there. We see this up everywhere. Yeah, so here's what we learn and how we formulate this trade, right? We already mentioned this earlier. So basically, if we look on the 1 hour, daily time frame, we see that. So we take this screenshot is at 9:43. before that is like this, right? So if we take this trade, this is a reversal type 1 right there, break test from below and reverse. If we take this trade the evening before, then here's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna put a buy stop at that level, and we reach 1 hour or less than 1 hour right there. So it's a 4 breakout at that level. It gives us at this level because it's gonna go and break that level. 58.68 right there. So put a buy stop right there at 46, which is right here. This level right there. You see that it's open above that level at the 46 right there, and then it retested one more time. Then for sure it's gonna go and break the level 68. Break, test from below, and the reason it come back here in order to break it. It did break it until 10:30, then it reversed right there. So that's it, the one setup or lesson we learned right there. So in order to trade this setup on the daily time frame, here's our manifest itself on 15 minutes time frames, and we remember that evening, the evening of Thursday, we saw this when we're thinking, how do we trade that? But after we study, we see that that's the way we can trade that, because we know that it's gonna go up there, but we don't know how much we're gonna risk, right? You don't want to go long right here, because that means our stop loss gonna get hit when it retraces. So there's strategy right there. That means you put a buy stop right there at that level. If at the moment we trade, we don't see this level, then put a buy stop at this level and go slip and come back tomorrow, because we don't want to wait the whole night. So just let it run. If it hit, then boom. So that's the idea, the first lesson right there. Okay, so here's another lesson we learned from today. Where's the screenshot? Okay, not this one. Okay, so right here, when we see this, right, and we see the open of this candle go below and fail to break, and it tells us that it's gonna go up, but we have to confirm, make sure that this one, it failed to break the low, then boom, we know it's gonna go up. So it tests from below right there at the high time frame, then for sure it come back there, it will break it. So it gives us the direction right there. Similar right here, you see that 9:15, right? This 6 candles tell us that it tests from above, so this one's supposed to break it, but this one failed to break and also give a direction that it can test from below. Then the 9:30 coming, it will explosive. You can see that it's explosive at 9:30 if you want the tip. Yeah, so that's what this how it opened at 9:30. You're gonna see this, see that there, right? Test from below. So this one's supposed to be flip and break it. See that? Boom, very fast right there. So this tells us it tests from below, so you're gonna break exactly. See, explosive move right there, 9:30. For 3 minutes, it retrace a little bit. Boom. Again. Yeah. Is this? So we can anticipate that it's gonna break that level right there. Yeah, so this also gives us a signal that it tests from below. You don't see any test from above, test from below, that means it's gonna go up. And this candle start tell us it's test from below. So that's it, the 10. Exactly, you see that? This candle, it starts show us, that's the magic right there. So the wick tell us the story right there. You see that? This candle, there's no wick from below. That means that it's not willing to go low. But it tests from above. That means it's gonna go up. And this candle starts show us that it tests from above. That means it have a tendency, or it shows us the signal that it will go low. And see that the minute it break out this high time frame level, and it reversed right away. See that? Even though it told you that based on the logic right here, it tests from below, right? It may go up, but at the same time, it tell you that it may go down, and this is so even. So it go either way. But then how do we know? Then watch for the next candle. You see that it breaking down. Then it tell you that it's gonna come down. You see this level, it tests from above more than test from below. That's when it's gonna come down. It gives you the signal to going down right there. So at least give you more than 50% to take a bet right there. So watch market in the real time give us a lot of experience, a lot of lesson learned right there. So we can read, candle by candle right there. And also watch for this candle, the candle that right after expansion move. Give it an idea. You see this candle? That's the range right there. It gives us where the market gonna head into. It's gonna be a second leg down, or it's gonna be a reverse from here. And plus with analysis related to the price delivery model, right? So you have pretty much idea that where it heading to. Yeah, so look at this again. So we have the price, from expansion go to retracement, and then it go to the retracement can turn into a reversal, and then from reversal it will go to consolidation, or it may go to expansion. But the thing we have right here that it will never go from consolidation go to expansion and consolidation, and it will never go to reversal to reversal, back to back right there. It might, and we can still leave open right there, because we saw that the other day. So right here we see that the huge expansion right here. Then you have a retracement right here. So is this retracement gonna be turned into reversal, which is a next leg down, or it's gonna take a retracement and not expansion right here? That's the question right there. So the reason why it will not be expansion from here, because we just have the expansion right here. So you have expansion, go to retracement, and then expansion. That can be, right? But if we treat this at a reversal right here, then right here it have to make a second leg down. It cannot make another expansion move right here, because this one is a reversal. Yeah, here's our analysis at 9:52 right there. So basically, we saw right here it's a retracement and it's expansion. And when it go up here, we anticipate it's gonna be a retracement, reversal, or consolidation. But it did not happen right here. It go and it tap into this high time frame level before its retracement, reversal. But if we follow the ICD Judah swing, we know that reversal gonna happen, right? It's Judah swing, which is a last expansion move, then it's gonna be reversal. Because right here, when it open, right there, you see that it's basically a retracement, expansion, and then it make a non-retracement expansion, and it's reversed right here. You can see that it's reversed from here. And from here, we have a reversal right here. Then it turn into expansion, retracement, expansion, retracement, expansion, retracement. And right here is supposed to be a retracement, but it continue expansion. Then definitely the reversal is going to happen. Let's look at the day where it really rally to see if the Judah swing at 9:30 really play into this scenario. Yeah, here's the idea of the Judah swing. The Judah swing is only to happen for reversal. It does not happen for the day that really rally, make a huge move up or down. In this case, that's we want to see when is the Judah swing happen. Let's pick the day, right? Let's say this day, September 19, is the huge up close rally candle right there. You see that? Then we go to the 15 minutes. You see a totally different story. You don't see at the 9:30 it keep rally. It don't, because all the rally right here already happened in the pre-markets. That means the electronic. That means the algo already bring up the price. If we wait for 9:30, then we miss the huge move right there, even though the day is tells you it's up close right there. So the Judah swing at 9:30 is just for the liquidity run or a liquidity trap right there. It will not be a real rally up or right out. It's just for a reversal play in the play. If we look at the September 11, which is right here where the reversal happened, that's where another Judah swing happened. But in this case, it's the long setup. You see that? So at 9:30 it show off, and it did rate the low, and you see it perfect because the London is overlap or between the range of the New York PM. So the Judah swing go down and rate the low, which is the sell side, and boom, it reversed. That's how it manifests itself in the high time frame right there, which is the daily time frame. You see the long wick right there? That's where the Judah swing at 9:30 it tried to break to the low. and then boom, it reverse. Basically try to grab as much as buy side liquidity, and then it reverse. But if we look at this candle, the day that it's rally, we don't see the euro swing. The euro swing only happen when the reverse happen, which is it create a wick right there. In this case, it's the wick in the bottom, and on Friday it's the wick on the top right there. So that is where the euro swing happen. So the euro swing have to happen in certain condition when it create the wick right there. Yeah, let's look at see. But anyway, we run out of time. We want to show you what trade we take for Friday, and then we wrap up here. All right, here's the first couple of trade we take. Right, we saw this perfect, right? It's just perfect to solve them because you see the expansion and you anticipate a retracement or reversal right here because it's test from above. Perfect. That's fine. That's right. But let's see how it's play out. Okay, so but as soon as the 9:30 coming, it got flipped right away. But if we are, but at 9:30 having very fast, but because as soon as it's closed, the candle it flipped. But it tell us that the 15 is closed. It tells us that it tests from above, so it can give us the idea that it changed the direction right there. Yeah, see that? Yeah, right here it looked like a sword, but as soon as it closed, especially you see the 9:30, it's gonna be long. But we wait for this retrace, and then boom, we don't go early, right? We want it to retrace, and then we see if the momentum gonna go up. Then when we see that, we know that it's gonna go up, so we go with the momentum. And then the next candle forming, I think we take a quick profit right here. That right? Yeah, we take a quick profit right here. I think we add increase the size. I think somewhere around right here. We take a quick profit on the trade before that. Okay, so we short, and then we get stop out. Yeah, we need to take a quick profit right here. We did take a long trade. That's the reason why it go green, and then we try again to go long, and I think we increase sign on that one, and then we take a quick profit again. Right, we increase side 10, add more, and then we take quick profit, we get out. We leave one contract run, and we should let it run if we hit the level right there. But anyway, we get out right here, long trade, perfect, get out and leave run, and right here, that's exactly we sell. Okay, so the market tell us right here, and then here we have to make a decision whether it's gonna go up one more or it's gonna reverse from here. And we look at this candle, we see that it's test from above, test from below. So and this candle, it really tried to break down, but it couldn't break. You see that? It got flipped. Yes, so that is where we know that it's gonna hit at least the high of the candle. That's an idea right there. And I think we take a long trade right here. So right there is the level of 95.50. Let's go to the charts. We can see. Okay, so where's our 15-minute chart? Did we accident? Okay, right here. Yeah, right here. Right, it gonna break 95 right there. So yeah, it's very close to the high time frame right there. So it's the last push, last up before it reverses. That's why we're very patient and we make sure that it's red. So we go in and we know it's gonna break the high of that candle. And boom, we take a quick profit right there. And you see that? And now where the magic happened. Yeah, as soon as we see the setup, we see that that's from below break and reverse, then we go short right away. If we let it run, right, we let this run, if we hit that level, the 82, it will, 82, right, 82, 81, yeah, it will hit 82 right here, just the low of the candle, it will hit, and we got 3R right there. But right here, we access a little bit early. We increase the size, so we cannot stay too long. That's the reason. Okay. Okay, so right here, I think, okay, when it come down again, we add 10 more contract right there. If we let it run, eventually it will hit the target right there. We have, 9 handsome, 7 right there, 7,000. But anyway, we're a little bit nervous right there. Oh yeah, we take a quick profit. Did we? Yeah. As soon as it come down, you see that there? I think we take quick profit right there. Yes, we take quick profit right there. That's the reason why we take quick profit right there. And we got a little bit nervous right here. We thought that it's gonna make expansion move, but we forgot in that moment that this is the Judas swing. If we know that that moment is the Judas swing, and also we already know it's type 1 reversal, type 2 break, then we don't have to get too nervous right here. We can stay in the trade and relax longer. But who knows, right? That's the tricky of trading live right there. So right here, we short them. Yeah, we short them again. We increase that right there. And I think, yes, I think we take quick profit right here also. Yeah, we take quick profit right there. And we try to move the stop loss, but we should not, later on, eventually it will hit this target right there. But look a little bit scary there. But it still tells us that it still tests from above a lot right there. So just stay in the trade. I think it hit out. You see that? We should not have let that move it just above there. It's not bad to give back right there. Just 100 right. So if we leave that there, we good shape right there. It eventually go down, hit our targets. That's the healers and we learn. See that? And I think here it hit our stop loss. Otherwise, we're like, okay, what do we do with it right here? Oh, okay, we short them again. Okay, yeah, let's see. I think we take a good profit right here. Is that right? Oh, I think we give back something right here. There's something mistake right here. Okay, right here we good. Then let's see what we do right here. Let's see what mistake we make right here. What mistake we make right here? What lesson we learn right here? Okay. So let's increase speed a little bit. Oh, we try to sort them. Yeah, now we learn the lesson. You see, it tests from above. And right here, if it failed to go up, then boom, we need to sort them. And yeah, we try to do the sort right there. But I think we may put the stop loss too tight right there. That's the mistake. But clearly this candle tells us that it go down more than go up. You see that? The wick right there on the top is shorter than the wick in the bottom. But let's see, what do we do here? Oh, we do something very quick right here. Let's see. So we try short right here. Is that right? Let's see. Yeah, we try to short, but we cannot move the stop loss quick enough. Right, we have to move stop loss far enough, then we get stop out right away. See that? That's the mistake we make. And we try short them again. And let's see what happened this time. I think we short them again. We do too short, we lose 2 on the way because the stop loss too tight. Don't do that. Just do 1 contract. All right. We're a little bit greedy right here. After so many wins, we're a little bit greedy, and see that? Yeah, I think we'll make a giant mistake right there. We should not do the momentum right here. Because after the giant move, then the retracement is going to be very slow. Yeah, I think we make mistake right here. We have to let it run. Yeah. We move the stop loss too tight. You see that? 3 trades in a row. We short it right. It's the right direction, but we move the stop loss too tight right there, and we end up pay to get back out again right there, and we short them again. Okay, this time we get it. So this time we get it. Yeah, this time we get, but we should let it run instead of take quick profits right there. All right, I think that's it for today. Thank you for your time and interest. We always are grateful for this opportunity. We do what we love, then success is coming our way. And day by day, little by little, we're getting better and better. Thank you, and have a great weekend. See you next week. Bye for now.